inhliziyo yami yonke impilo yami isezandleni zomdali wami. Hey, let's take it to church. It's all right. Everything negative that I've ever done in the past, didn't think that I would last. I was caught up in my dark past, never had an understanding of what love means. Only got warm from my mama Jackie, daddy, and my family. Scars hurt, never look back. Put my candle up, lit my candle up, and there you were in the midst of dark till that day come. I'ma run my palms together, head down every day like no way will I ever get caught up in the tricks that it finds. Go see I'm little, I'm big city pines. I need your guidance in this wildness.
Uzundikhokhele bawo dikhokhele meli wami ezinsizini zalo mhlaba bawo ndiyabonga ngoba uzundikhokhele bawo uzundikhokhele bawo.
Forgive me for my sins, all of the wrongs, the evil little things, pain I've caused to every living being. Show me the light so I can really glow. Give me the knowledge so I can really grow. Guide me to positivity. Help me live a legacy. Every breath I take must be holy and most healthy. Praise to God, guiding everybody to the land. And those who trust in He will forever see the promised land.
What have you taken from this period in your life?
Sharpen my character, and around that I got nothing to say but servanthood. So being given a second chance for me, I'm just here to serve God and do what He wants me to do.
Kumnandi ukugcinwa